If you were thinking about building a minimal desk setup or just don't know where to start, well, that's what I'm going to do today. In this video, I'll go over everything from the desk, chair, computer, and accessories. So let's dive right in. And a big thank you to FlexiSpot for gifting me the E6 standing desk so I can make today's video. Okay, I'll start off with the desk itself. The E6 arrived in two separate boxes. The first one contains the tabletop, while the other holds the frame, legs, and tools. I opted for a black finish, which looks clean and minimal. Installing the desk was really easy as long as you follow the instructions. It took me about 30 minutes with the help of a power drill and Allen wrench. It is recommended to have help during the assembly, but I managed to do it by myself. Alright, I've used a few standing desks, and this one is no different. The desk itself is a black wooden top that measures 70 inches wide and 24 inches deep. It's also one single piece, making it feel sturdy and durable. Some companies have the top split to save on shipping, but either way, I have all this room for the electronics, which I'll get to later. The desk is supported by the metal frame underneath, as well as the metal legs. The motorized legs have a 3-stage lift system, allowing the desk to go as low as 23.6 inches to as high as 48.8 inches. And here's a little sound test. I don't have a decibel meter, but according to the Apple Watch, it's around 50 decibels. The motors can handle up to 220 pounds, so even with all your accessories, it should be able to handle the weight. I'll sit on the desk for now to show you that it can lift and lower me without any issues. Also, FlexiSpot does include wheels, just in case you plan on moving it around. The control panel on the side, which can be mounted on the left or right, makes it easy to switch between sitting or standing. The height can be adjusted with the up or down arrows, and the icon of a person standing, person sitting, the number 3, and 4 are memory presets. You can set your preferred standing or sitting height and have 2 more presets for another user. One thing to note is when the lights are off, you need to press a button to wake it up, then press one of the presets. This desk has an anti-collision feature, which means it'll automatically rebound if something's in the way. I'll lower the desk and slide a folding table underneath, and you can see the desk hit it and rebound, then stop. And same thing if I raise the desk. As with any standing desk, you're gonna have to do some cable management. FlexiSpot provides basic options like adhesive cable ties, a roll of Velcro, and cable organizer. I wish I got the cable tray and a power strip, but I'll work on that another day. The desk comes with a 5-year warranty for the desk frame and motor, along with a 2-year protection for the control panel and electronics. If you're interested in the FlexiSpot E6 standing desk, I'll leave a link and everything else I mentioned in the description box below. So now let's set up the workspace. I'll start by adding this MKBHD desk mat to protect the desk from any wear and tear. And if I need to place something down, I don't need to worry about damaging the desk. The main item is the 14-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro, and I've been able to edit all of my YouTube videos on this in Final Cut Pro. It can handle 4K 30, 4K 60, and even ProRes. I would like to upgrade to the M4 Pro and for that space black color, but I feel like I haven't used its full power yet. Sometimes I like to work on a bigger screen, so I have the LG UltraFine Display Ergo. It's 32 inches, 4K, but only 60 Hz. It takes about half the width, but since it's on an arm, it gives it that floating design, and I still have all this room. Now I have 2 screens to get stuff done. The MacBook Pro already has a nice keyboard, trackpad, and speakers, but you can always use it in clamshell mode and add a keyboard and mouse. Next, I'll add some accessories. I have the popular fake IKEA plant for some color, but you can add a real plant if you like. Here's a Funko Pop of Kairi from Kingdom Hearts, and Ali Abdaal's book, Feel Good Productivity. Underneath the monitor, I have an external SSD for extra storage, and off to the side, this Anker MagSafe charger. It'll charge either the iPhone or AirPods Pro, and it can rotate for standby mode. And don't forget about coasters for your favorite drinks. And finally, the chair. I have the Herman Miller Embody, but you can use a patio chair or dining chair, anything you already own. This chair is very ergonomic, and it feels like I'm floating. The chair is on the pricey side, but I'd say spend a little more to save your back. When it's time to stand, I can move it under the desk so it doesn't get in the way. I'm very happy at how everything turned out. I created a workspace that's clean yet functional. I hope this video gives you some inspiration for your own setup. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!